This is what we do when we are using addition and subtraction operations. If we are dealing with the numbers having similar sign, we take the common sign and add the numbers. For example, 4 plus 2, this 4 here has an addition sign or a plus. So if this has a plus and this has a plus, then it means both numbers have similar sign. And in that case, we shall take the common sign, which is a plus, and add these two numbers. So this will be plus 4 plus 2, giving us 6. And this is what we normally write as 6 like that. We have -1 minus 5. This one has negative sign, and this 5 has a negative sign here. So the two numbers have similar signs. So what we do, we take the common sign, as we have said. So the common sign is negative, and then add the numbers 1 plus 5. And when you do that, you get the answer being -6. So that's how we perform operations involving numbers having similar sign. What if the signs are different? In that case, we take the sign of the big number and subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. For example, we have 6 minus 2. The sign of 6 is positive. The sign of 2 is negative. So this has a positive sign, this has a negative sign. This sign is assumed to be attached to this one here. So between these two numbers, you realize that 6 is greater and it has a positive sign, meaning the answer must have a positive sign. Then take the two numbers, subtract them. 6 minus 2 gives us 4. So the answer will be +4, and that's what you call 4. 7 minus 11. This 7 here has a positive sign. 11 has a negative sign here. So the bigger of these two is 11, which has a negative sign, meaning the answer must have a negative sign. Then take the bigger number, which is 11 minus 7. You will get the answer being -4. Another example, -9 plus 7. Of these two, 9 is the larger one and it has a negative sign, meaning the answer must have a negative sign. Then take 9 minus 7, you get 2. So the answer will be -2. The last example, -1 plus 8. This one has a negative sign, this has a positive sign. The larger number here is 8 with a positive sign, so the answer must have a positive sign. Take 8 minus 1, you will get the answer being 7. So that is +7, and that's what we normally write as 7. So this is actually what we do when we are dealing with the numbers involving addition and subtraction operations. The rule is simple. If the two numbers have similar signs, take their common sign, add the numbers. We have had examples here to prove that. But if the signs are different, if the two numbers have different signs, take the sign of the larger number and then subtract the larger number minus the smaller number. Thank you.